So good. OMG.
The key to unlocking the exquisite flavors of these Korean short ribs lies in the transformative power of the sauce, which is easily made in the blender or food processor. And of course, the quality of the meat itself is paramount. Our recommended method involves allowing the ribs to soak in water for a full hour, and combining the ribs and the blended sauce in the Instant Pot results in tender fall off the bone perfection in roughly an hour and a half. The speed and ease of this method are truly game-changing. This is the way. It's the final touches that truly elevate this dish. Once the ribs are cooked, the sauce must be thickened to a luscious consistency. Returning the succulent meat and vegetables to the thickened sauce melts the flavors together beautifully. A bed of fluffy rice is the perfect canvas to soak up every last drop of that incredible sauce. Yes, indeed, this is the way to culinary bliss. Embrace the process, savor the aromas, and make your kitchen magic. MMMK.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow, it's so good. From the oldest farmer's market in the whole country, in Alexandria, Virginia, to Mama Misha's Magic Kitchen. Let's eat.